Hi everyone, this is Nitish Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program for printing a star plus shape. Okay, so I'm going to write code in Visual Studio Code. If you have this application, then you open it and do practice with me. And if you have not, then you open online Java compiler and then try to practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to write here file name first, then I will write code comment. I will, after writing code, uh, I will execute the code, and after that I will write code. I write comment so that your doubt will clear for each logics for each line of the code. Okay, so I'm going to write here file name. So what is the file name is star plus dot java. So I need to explain here. First problem statement is, so if user is entering number of rows is 5, it is recommended to enter odd number input only. Okay, so and output will be what, this one, this one, and I'm going to doing copy paste of it, control C and control V, and then I need to remove this. After that I need to write here star 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 star. This is going to be our output. Okay, so I'm for writing these things I'm going to take user input. So I need to import, right here import java dot util dot scanner, and then I need to write here esvm, and then I need to write here object for the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and then I need to write here sort enter number of rows in star plus what it's recommended to odd number. Okay, and then I'm going to take that number of rows with the help of variable n sc dot next int, and then I need to write here for loop for what, for int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus, and I need to use another for loop to print the number of star in particular row. So I need to write here int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to n, and j plus plus. And then I need to write here if condition. You can see number of star presents only in the middle of row. Okay, so I need to write here if I equal to n by 2 plus 1. Okay, or j is equal to n by 2 plus 1, then you can print here star with one space, and after that you can write here two space. Okay, so that it can, a star can print in a line of okay, because I have already give one space, so that's why I am using two space so that it can uh, come align. Okay, and then I need to write here sc dot close to avoid memory leak. Okay, then I'm going to write here a statement shout so that user can understand these are the output. So I need to write here star plus pattern is, and then I'm going to execute this program. Now it is coming. Okay, I'm entering 5. You can see here what is the problem is here. Okay, it is right. Then if I is equals to n by 2 plus 1 and j is equals to n by 2 plus 1, it is right. And where is the error? Else part. In else part I have not write the space. Okay, that's why I need to remove this ln, and then here I need to write shout two space. Okay, and these are the for moving in next row after printing a star in particular row. Okay, now I'm going to run it again. I'm going to give number of rows 5. Okay, so what is the problem in this? I have not removed this ln. Okay, now I think it will be clear. Okay, now I'm going to give again 5. Yeah, you can see the star plus pattern is smoothly coming. Now I'm going to enter another user input so you can try on your system these things. Okay, now I'm entering 9. Okay, so you can see star is coming, star plus is coming in smoothly. Okay, now I'm going to write comment so that you can understand each line meaning. So I have taken a scanner class for taking user input, taking user input. Okay, scanner class for. Okay, and then I'm going to write. I have written this star plus. This is the file name, file where our code is going to save. And these are the main method. Main method. These are the main method which after this each line is going to execute. Okay, and then I am making object for scanner class. And what is this is enter number of rows, and it is a message for user to enter number of rows in the pattern. Okay, and I'm storing number of rows in the storing number of rows in the variable n, and then I'm printing one message also, message to show result statement. Okay, and this is the outer loop to control user control row in the pattern. Okay, and these are the inner loop inner loop to print star in particular row. Okay, and this is the middle of a row in which our star is going to print. Okay, and printing star with one space here. And now in else part, odd places, sorry, in even places. What is even places or odd places, you are saying? Place without middle, it is it's empty. Okay, empty. So this line is handling that thing. Okay, and this is the, again I am printing one output statement so that cursor can move in on next row after printing printing star in particular row. Okay, and then I am closing here, closing object for scanner class, avoid memory leak memory leaks. Okay, and now I have written the complete things. I have written comment, I have executed code, and now I have written all the comment so that your logic will clear, your doubt will clear. Okay, and it is my kindly request to you all, you do dry run of these things. Okay, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can be able to make the logics for problem like this. Okay, now I'm going to execute it once and after that I will close it. Okay, so you can see it is coming. Don't worry. What you need to do, you need to think the logics. Main logic is in odd places only, in odd places only, sorry, in odd places only, not the middle of the number of rows. Okay, in row and column also, only that places star is present and another places it is empty. Okay, we have to print empty, so that's why I have used two space. Why? So that it can align with middle. Okay, that's why middle of row. Here printing a star with one space, and here is this is also main things. Okay, we have to print two star because I have already give one star a space, one star with or I have already give one space with star, so that's why we have to maintain the alignment. So that's why I have used here two spaces. Okay, so that our plus sign or plus pattern will come in align order. Okay, now I'm running it again, and yeah, I'm going to enter here what number of rows it is already saying to enter odd number, so I am giving 7. Okay, so you can see this is our code and these are the output. Okay, so thank you everyone, have a nice day, and just do writing code, do practice and do dry run. And thank you, have a nice day. I'm going to close this. We will meet in another video also. Thank you.